Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the physical and system basics so you can change settings with confidence. First, check cables and ports. Use HDMI or DisplayPort when possible and receipt or swap cables. Once done, open display settings to record the current resolution and scaling and confirm multi-monitor arrangement. Then open Device Manager and inspect display adapters for error icons. You do this to isolate hardware versus software causes before making driver or OS changes. Now you tackle the software layer where most resolution locks occur. Update the GPU driver through the manufacturer utility or Windows Update and check the driver version once installed. If updating doesn't help, reboot to safe mode and run to fully remove old drivers, then reinstall the clean driver. Next, open your GPU control panel to add or enable a custom resolution or refresh rate. Make sure it matches the monitor's supported EDID so Windows accepts the change. Finish by confirming the display itself is not the limiter. Check the monitor OSD, update or reset its firmware, and perform a factory reset if necessary. If Windows still refuses to apply the resolution, undo recent driver or OS updates and test under a clean boot to rule out background software conflicts. Make sure to reboot after each step to apply settings. If changes still fail, test the monitor with another computer and your computer with another monitor to identify whether the GPU or panel is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.